Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Wednesday, everybody. I hope everybody is having a great week. I'm still in New York City, dog sitting for a friend. You might see my sleepy cameraman, Clint, in the background, as well as my puppy, Donatello. And Pax, the Rhodesian Ridgeback, is currently supervising them. Today, I have some huge news for the Cardano community and anyone interested in what's going on with crypto in the United States. Something big just happened. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the article. Grayscale ETF holding XRP, Solana, and Cardano receives SEC green light. The regulator approved Grayscale's bid to convert a fund primarily focused on Bitcoin, but also holding other major cryptocurrencies, into an exchange-traded fund. According to an SEC, a Securities and Exchange Commission filing on Tuesday, Grayscale Trading can now trade an ETF that focuses primarily on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. This is huge for a lot of altcoins in the space. In brief, the SEC approved of Grayscale's application to offer its digital large cap fund as an ETF. An ETF is an exchange-traded fund. The fund focuses on Bitcoin, but also holds Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano. ETF analysts are expecting a wave of crypto-related approvals in the second half of this year. So it's sounding like Q3 and Q4 of 2025 could be super bullish for crypto. Not financial advice or anything, but it looks like that's the way legislation's going. In other news, I want to go over the breakdown of this ETF. What does this mean for Cardano, and what does this mean for other altcoins? Grayscale's large cap fund is modeled on the Coindex 5 index. That index measures the performance of the 5 most liquid digital assets. So here's the breakdown of the fund. 80% in Bitcoin, 11% in Ethereum, 2.8% in Solana, 4.8% in XRP, and 0.8% in Cardano. The SEC signaled on Tuesday that its primary focus will be mostly on these top 5 cryptos, but there is still potential for smaller altcoins. They still have yet to greenlight those applications, so we'll see. Maybe smaller cryptos could also be in the win. Overall, in my opinion, this is a big win for the crypto industry. If you think back in 2023, Grayscale was actually suing the SEC for multiple denials of the ETF. So now in 2025, it's actually happening. We're finally getting approval. I'm curious to hear your thoughts though. Do you think this is bullish for Cardano? Do you think Cardano should have a larger portion of this ETF? And what else do you think the ecosystem needs? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!